Hi Year 4. Today we are going to be looking at what is a compass and how can we use compass points. Before we had a GPS, Google Maps and A to Z maps, there was one thing people used to use. People used to use a compass to help them to navigate. So you must be wondering, how does a compass work? Well, it all begins with a magnet. A magnet is any object that creates a magnetic field. A magnet attracts ferromagnetic materials such as iron, cobalt and nickel. It also attracts and repels other magnets. Every magnet has a north and south pole. As you can see on the screen, the magnet is labelled with north and south. Opposite poles will attract and the same poles will repel. For example, two magnets with north and north pole will repel. The core of planet Earth is like a gigantic magnet. The planet is surrounded by something called a magnetic field. So you're probably wondering, what has the magnetic field of the Earth got to do with a compass? Well, inside of a compass there is a magnet on the pointer, and this aligns itself to the Earth's magnetic field, which helps for navigation. For example, people that sail or pilots that fly an airplane often used to use a compass to help them to navigate. Navigation means to move on, over or through water, air or land in a ship or aircraft. So let's have a look at the 4 cardinal points of a compass. We use compass points to describe position and direction, and there are 4 main cardinal points of the compass: north, east, south and west. In between each of the 4 cardinal points, there are 4 intercardinal points. These come halfway between the main points and are called northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Today I'm going to explain to you 2 activities which you can complete if you would like. The first activity requires you to do lots of moving and be active around your house. So, practice writing your own directions, maybe for walking around your house following compass points. For example, you might want to stand in your kitchen and move 2 steps to the north and then right where you end up. You can do the same and keep going around your house following compass points. Another activity you might like to try requires you to have a paper, a pencil and a ruler. Once you have drawn your grid with an even number of boxes going down and across, you can begin to draw your symbols. Inside of each of the boxes you can spread your symbols out and you can have a start here, square. You can then write down the instructions of which way you're going to go following the compass points. For example, go 3 squares to the south and write down where you have reached. I hope you have learned something today about compass points and enjoy taking part in some of the activities. I look forward to seeing these activities on Tapestry or on the Facebook website.